Welcome everyone to the How to Tutorial YouTube channel. For this video of How to Tutorial, today I will be showing you how you can log in into the iQIYI account of yours. To begin the process, open the application first. Once you're at the app home page, you need to tap on Me on the bottom right and there tap on Login/Sign Up. This will give you this option to log in. You can log in with password via SMS, Google or Facebook. Google and Facebook is the only option that is used only if you have linked your Facebook and Google with the iQIYI account of yours. If not, you will have to go with the password or the SMS. That is, the password is for the email process and SMS is for the phone process. We're going to go with the email, that is login with password. Now here you need to type in the email address. Then below type in the password, then tap on login. This will get you logged in into the account right away. So this is how you can log in into the iQIYI account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the How to tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.